Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, click here and click settings, and then click apps and click installed apps. And this is the application that's installed in our Windows. So if you want to remove any application, for example, if we want to remove Python, click here and click uninstall. Then click uninstall. Yes. And wait a moment until uninstall the application. Now, as you can see here, uninstall was successfully. So that's it, how you can uninstall any application on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.